Hi and welcome. I'm George Pierce. It's great to have you here. This video is the 7th video in our affiliate marketing training series, and it's all about making money. If you're not familiar with this series, this is all about making $150 a day from home, at least $150 a day from the comfort of your home. All you're going to need is an internet access. You're not going to need any money. There's no cost. You're going to see how you can do all this for free. And it is literally copy and paste and drag and drop easy. So even if you're brand new, just watch the videos and follow the videos. And you can do this from anywhere in the world. You will find a link to the first video in this series below. And in this video, what we're going to be doing is creating a success page. We are using a marketing platform called Systeme. Systeme is free. It includes all the tools that we need, includes the website, includes the sales funnel, the squeeze page, and so on, includes the autoresponder. As I said before, it is free and it stays free up to the first 2,000 subscribers. You will find my affiliate link below to Systeme. You do not have to use my affiliate link. You do not have to use Systeme, but if you do, as a thank you, I'm going to give you 10 videos, 10 free videos to help you to promote Systeme, as well as 3 banners and a surprise bonus, simply as a way of saying thank you. In video number 5, we created a squeeze page, and our squeeze page is the first part of the sales funnel. We've set that funnel up, we've set that squeeze page up so that when someone joins our list, they're going to go to this page, which is called a success page, and I prefer that we call it a success page. Systeme calls it a thank you download page, and I'm going to primarily refer to it as a success page. To access your success page, go to Systeme, click on funnels, click on the name of the funnel that we created in video number 5, click on thank you download page, and at this point we have to choose which page we want to use. Because we're using warm leads, I'm going for simple, so I'm picking the 4th one down on the left, and again the reason is simple. I want it as simple as possible. And you're about to see how easy it is to create this page. If you like this video, and I certainly hope you do, if you're finding value in this video, give it a big thumbs up if you would. Do that right now. Turn that like button black. Thank you so much. If you recall from previous videos, these images are from our affiliate. Simply go to Exipure, go to the Exipure affiliate page, go down to the images, click on the images, save the images, drag and drop your image element to where you want it on Systeme or Elements, upload those images to Systeme and insert them on your page. Be sure to add your affiliate link to those images. When you do, in order to do that, click on the image, and on the left hand side simply add your affiliate link on the left hand side. That way when they click on the image, they get taken to the affiliate. Now also we want to add headline. Drag and drop the headline element, drag and drop the text element. We want to add some text, customize the headline and the text to suit our needs. As far as adding a link in our text, scroll over the word or words that you want to embed the link into. In this case, click here. I've done it twice. Scroll over those words and click on the link icon and insert the link in the URL. And again, open in a new window. Probably should say that technically you're not supposed to open in a new window. When people go to a sales page, technically you don't want them to have an escape, so to speak. On the other hand, I don't want to lose them from our website. That's why I choose to open in a new window. And there's a couple more things that I want to share with you that we should add to this page. First thing is a gift or a bonus. In our case, we're going to be adding a gift. It's a thank you gift, and it's going to help us in a couple of ways, a couple of important ways. And number one, it's going to help us to endear ourselves to our new subscriber, and we want to endear ourselves to our new subscriber. We want as much trust, as much like. We want them to like us as much as possible and trust us as much as possible, and that's going to help us as far as getting our emails open. It's going to help us as far as getting click-throughs. It's going to help us as far as getting them to our affiliates. And the other thing is that we're going to let them know that there is another another thank you coming in the first email. What I'm sharing with you are some of the squeeze page secret sauce that I use, and this is stuff that you're probably not going to find elsewhere. Secret sauce ingredient number one is a simple arrow. You want an arrow pointing down. I recommend that you use an arrow that is any color except red, and you'll find out why I say that in a future video, but any color but red. Secret sauce ingredient number two is our surprise gift. Secret sauce ingredient number three, another gift in that first email, which is going to help get that email opened. Secret sauce ingredient number four is whitelisting. We're going to get to that in just a moment. So what this means is we're going to need two bonuses or two gifts. In this case, there'll be two gifts. The site that I typically use is called PLR Database. So I'm taking us to PLR Database. It's plrdatabase.net. It is free, and there's over 1,500 free products that we can use. When you get to PLR Database, click on Marketplace and then click on Free on the left. And just on the first page alone, you can see there's quite a number of products that we can use. I'm noticing Quick Wellness, Developing Courage, Happiness Mantra, Begin Your Day with a Smile, 10 Superfoods that Promote Anti-Aging. So these are all products that we can use as gifts. What I'm choosing is Happiness Mantra and Developing Courage as my free gifts. Download these. Once they're downloaded, we want to open the file, extract the e-cover, and extract the PDF. And a little tip, if the e-cover has a generic name like e-cover number one or image number one, I recommend that you rename it appropriately so that you know that that is the e-cover for whatever it's for. Also, I recommend that you take a quick look at the PDF and make sure that it is good content. If it's not worthy content, pass and find something else that is worthy. On the PDF, once you've extracted it, right-click on the PDF and then click on Compress to zip file, and that's going to turn it into a zip file for uploading. We need a site to upload it to. If you don't have an upload site, if you don't have a paid web host, not a problem. You can upload it to Sabercat, sabercat.com. Why I recommend them is because you can upload a file and it's there for as long as you want it. It doesn't have like it's not going to go away in 30 days. It's going to stay there for an unlimited amount of time. So go to Sabercat, upload your files, save that link, that upload link, open a new tab. Next thing we want to do is go to a site called Pixabay. We've been there several times before, and we're simply going to get that arrow. Go to Pixabay, look for an arrow that's pointing downward, but instead of downloading it, I want to show you another way that you can use that without having to download it and re-upload it. But when you find the arrow that you want, open a new window, and in this new window I want you to go to Imgur. It's imgur.com, and this is a free image storage site. Open Imgur and drag and drop that image onto the Imgur site. Once the image is uploaded onto Imgur, right-click on the Imgur image, copy the address. Go back to System, drag and drop an image icon onto our page where we want it. Click on that image icon and insert the URL that we've just copied from Imgur, and now it will appear without having to add images to our website. And the reason why I do this, especially as a content marketer, I do a lot of content. That's a lot of images, and this can kind of clog up your website. I use sites such as Imgur in order to reduce the load so that my pages open as fast as possible. Next, drag and drop your headline element, drag and drop a text element onto the page, add the appropriate headline, add the appropriate text, and I suggest that you might want to sprinkle in words like thank you, surprise, gift. Drag and drop an image element onto the page. We can drag and drop our e-cover image to Imgur and do the same thing. Click on the image element and insert the URL from Imgur. And next thing we want to do is we want to add a button. Go to the left-hand side and go down to Forms and drag and drop the button onto your page. And click on the button, and on the left-hand side for action when the button is clicked, select Open URL. Do not select download, select Open URL. In the URL box, paste the link from Sabercat Again, I recommend opening a new window. Next, we want to add what's called whitelisting, and whitelisting is, again, a way for our subscriber to tell their email service provider that they want our emails delivered to the inbox instead of to spam. In order to do that, I'm going to be using a site called Email Delivery Jedi, and there'll be a link below. Email Delivery Jedi is going to create a customized whitelist page and customized whitelisting content that we're going to be able to use on a whitelisting page as well as on our thank you page. So go to Email Delivery Jedi and fill in the email name and address of where your email is going to be coming from. Fill in the name of your brand and click on Create My Whitelist. Now, in a previous video on copying this page, putting it and pasting it into a free HTML editor, and then copying the source or the HTML and putting it into a raw HTML element on Systeme, I'm going to show you another way to do that as well. Once you've created the customized whitelisting page, right-click on the page, click View Source. View Source is going to take us to the HTML. Click on Control A, and that's like select all. Then click on Control C, and what that is copy. We want to go back to Systeme, and down on the bottom left, you'll see raw HTML. Slide that onto the page, and then click on that HTML element. Click on Edit Code and paste the code that we just copied and hit Save. Next, you want to click on Settings, and I'm going to leave everything alone except for the title of the page. Change the title of your page, and congratulations. In fact, if this is your first sales funnel, a big congratulations. Next thing we're going to do is create another squeeze page. What I've shared with you is a kind of a squeeze page for warm leads. To be fair to you, for your own benefit, I really need to share with you a squeeze page that you can use for cold leads as well. And one of the important things about that is that we're going to be using just about every element that there is on that squeeze page so that you know all the things that you need to know about a full-blown squeeze page. We're going to be doing that in our next video. So if you haven't joined this channel yet, I invite you to join my channel and ring the bell. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, and that way I'm going to be able to let you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I'll see you in the next video.